Last time on the roadshow, we checked into this rather swanky hotel in Benidorm, the 4-star superior Hotel Don Pancho. We went and did the whole room tour, and then we would pop downstairs and did the lobby bar, and we all went to the toilet together. How cool is that? And it's made me that hungry now. Let's head for breakfast. Well, I found the gym, and to be honest, I wouldn't have thought this would have got much use here with these clients who stay, but you never know. It is quite a well-equipped gym, to be honest. But I was going to impress you with picking one of these weights up, but I can't lift it up, and it's only a little one. I've lifted it up. Jesus. That's only a little one. I shan't do that again. Well, guess what? I found the bowling green, and it's not an easy task. Because nobody knew where it were, none of the guests. Obviously, by the look of things, everybody didn't find it either. But there you go. I found it just for you. So this is the bowling green. Now lucky old you, I'm going to tell you how to find it. So you go to the last lift. So it's not in the block of 4 lifts, it's the one at the end. The lonely lift. And then you press E. So if you want to find the bowling green on the Don Pancho, follow those instructions and you'll get to where I am here. And if you do want to have a game, you've got to go to reception first, and they'll give you the bowling balls. So you learn something new every day, don't you? And just to show you this position, this is actually above the red line, really, I suppose. But we've got the Crown Pub there, the Western Saloon, good old Rear Door Hotel, and we overlook it Insomnia as well. And don't forget, the whole purpose I came up here was to show you the bowling green. Now, it is the only hotel in Benidorm with a bowling green. But, you know, as a criticism, if they made it easier to find, you know, people might be playing. But then again, they're all on the other side, because there's in shade, obviously, because there's a big hotel, Don Pancho, in front of it. So they're all on that side, where the sun is. Also, round this side, we've got it's got a sad old lonely dartboard. But I mean, a lot of people actually ask questions, where's the dartboard in Benidorm? Well, you've got one here. It's on floor E. You try finding that at the Don Pancho. I mean, other than a bowling green, I don't know what they could utilise this area as. You know, because it is predominantly in the shade, isn't it? So it's not going to be popular. And also, we've got the scoring. I mean, is bowling in a summer way? I suppose it is, isn't it? And we are in the midst of winter here. It's only 25 degrees in December. Oh no, it's November. I don't know where the hell I am or who I am or whatever I'm here. No, it's November. December, we're in Ventura, I think. Vale. Pirata, el arroz me escucharon el arroz blanco.
Saturday night at the movies, guess what picture you see?